Hello my friends, welcome to Trading VKS. Today is 18th of March 2022 Friday. So Friday, normal market drop a bit. So before we start, check out the introduction and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Subscribe, like, share and comment. If you want to open CGS-CIMB account, don't forget. Okay, follow my link. And let's check out the introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, so to the rise of the car dealer, so the car dealer starting to have some rebound. Okay, let's check out the local first. KLSE, so did they drop a bit after a big push up? So drop a bit. So it's normal normal. Friday drop a bit. So RSI still above 50, still okay so far. Still okay. Uptrend still okay. Okay, look at today. Today sentiment 45 only, not so strong. Gainers 347, losers 418. Volume quite small, 1.12 billion. Drop 5.05%, 1585. Now it's almost lunchtime 12:32. So let's look at consumer today up a bit, 0.15. Industry up 0.25. Construction drop 0.79. So technology dropped today 1.95. Finance up drop 0.64. Properties drop 0.1. Plantation up 1.47. RET drop 0.51. Energy up 1.47. Healthcare drop 0.51. Telecommunication drop up 0.34. Transportation drop 0.30. Utilities up 0.11. Okay, so this plantation and energy up a bit because of what? Because this energy this oil price got slight rebound today. Oil price today went up to Brent oil 109 and crude oil 105 so that's why there's some rebound. Okay. And plantation and energy, the palm oil and oil. Okay, look at some top gainers. Okay, Heineken got some rebound but no volume. Take a look KLK, take a look. F&N, take a look. SOP, take a look. Computer form 32 too late to chase this one cannot chase too late to chase. TAAN, take a look. CCB 6.7, maybe can take a look. CCB okay, maybe some goring stock. CCB is cycle carriage right, the Mercedes. CIMB PLT, take a look. UMW, take a look. Volume. TSH, take a look. P metal move a bit. P metal too late. TSH, take a look. Okay, so these are the one. KIMLUN also take a look. KIMLUN also got some rebound today. Look at UMW first. Okay, so UMW broken through. Head and shoulders. Is it here or here? Let me see. Is it here or here? Okay, we put it here first. So if tonight it can stay above this one 3.13 tonight it can stay above 3.13. Possible can pick some but be careful on dividend play 12 April
Okay, after the dividend it might drop lah, so there is a few small window to play. Then after take the dividend, maybe run see what happen first. So this is possibly a dividend play lah. Okay, next one, KIMLUN. So I got put alarm at KIMLUN. Today got alarm pop up. Take a look. What kind of alarm pop up KIMLUN? Oh, so KIMLUN is trying to rebound. 0.97. Okay, let this one wait for it to stand firm above 0.79 first. Wait it to stand firm above 0.79. Then maybe you want to try to pick some. For now, keep watch. Watch it first. Heineken. Okay, Heineken. This time really look like we want to go up lah. Heineken really. So it did a reversal pattern already. Oh, head and shoulder. Head and shoulder reversal. Okay, Heineken looks like it want to go up lah. If today it can stay above this one 22.08, I think it got chance oh, it got chance to continue go up Heineken. F&N. F&N haven't seen the rebound signal yet. Haven't seen the rebound sign yet. Still very dropping very fast. This one I think have to wait for a while first. The rebound signal can't see. Look at a few of the plantation SOP. So as for this rebound, if you are still holding it, okay, this rebound opportunity to run, if you are still holding high, want to play again, I'm not very convinced that we can going again, but there is a possibility that it can go again. There's a possibility that it can fly again. This one we hold a few hold of just wait 1 more 2 days and see. Because we don't want to be jump in too fast. TSH also TSH not so strong. TSH not so SOP looks better. Okay, for a rebound. TAAN also not very strong. The rebound sign also not very strong. Who else? CIMB. So the rebound sign is not very strong. So maybe hold on a few more days and see. FGV. Yeah. Wait a few more days and see. This one wait a bit and see. TEXCHEM. Oh, Tex Chemical going to hit the target already. Okay, already channel bottom. Channel bottom rebound. So continue to hold for a few. We are still holding this. Continue to hold a few more days. You want to buy now? It's too late already. Almost hit top channel already. A bit higher, 1.65. If it start to drop again, then maybe take profit. CCB. So CCB today, trying to break out. CCB is very volatile. This one, purely scoring only. This one play a little bit short. Can, but don't go and play big. Very dangerous. This is very volatile. Normally, I don't play this type of candlesticks up, this type of volatility stock one. I don't play this type of stock. But if you want to try, probably the next report is going well, or they are doing better lah. Starting from this last quarter, they are doing some making some profit. So this one you want to play a bit can just play for fun can but don't go and chase this. Don't go and play big lah. This type of pattern is very dangerous. It can drop like a it can drop like a roller coaster and also fly like a rocket one. So this one possible it can fly lah, because maybe they got some report coming up soon. Maybe pick a bit, or maybe you target here can target here, target 2.5. So let me see how many percent. 12%, 14%, 2.5, and possible 3.1. Play a bit just like lottery lah. Play a bit lottery lah. This one Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again in the evening. These are possible the one that really got chance. Possible UMW lah. UMW really got chance. I think. Other than that, this one cycle and carry is play lottery a bit see kena or not. And okay, and this one the plantation wait a bit plantation wait a bit. Trying to correct. See whether the oil price can continue go up or not. If the oil price can continue go up, maybe can try lah. Today this energy also went up a bit. Hibiscus also went up a bit. So this one probably also is a opportunity to run. So wait for a while and see. Wait 1-2 more days and see what happens. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.